Merong easy way to deposit funds into your Interactive Brokers account using Wise. And pwede rin mag-bank transfer to Wise using InstaPay. Pero dapat may Wise USD account ka para makapag-transfer ka ng funds. Pag wala ka pa Wise account, mag-sign up using the link in the comment section below. Log into your Wise account, tap USD account, tap Add. Input the amount to add to your Wise account. 100 USD ang transfer ko. Total fees ay 26.89 pesos, which is 0.47% ng amount to be deposited. Tap Continue. Pwede mag-send ng money to your Wise account gamit ang Philippine Bank Account or e-wallet. Gamitin ang details na nakalagay dito pag nag-fund transfer ka sa iyong Wise account. Payee name is Wise. Gamitin ang account number na nakalagay dito. Put exact amount to send. Bank name is Wise Pilipinas Incorporated. Choose I'll transfer my money later. Log into your bank account and transfer to another bank. Choose Wise Pilipinas sa bank. Input the account number at ang account name na gagamitin ay Wise. Check details if correct and then complete the bank transfer. InstaPay ay real-time so madideposit agad ang funds sa Wise account mo. And then log into your Interactive Brokers account. Pwede sa mobile app. And then tap mo yung profile sa upper left. Tap Deposit Funds. Choose Transfer from Wise Balance. Need mo i-link ang Wise account mo sa Interactive Brokers para makapag-transfer ka. Sa 100 USD, ang fee ay 1.27, which is 1.27%. And then tap Continue, review and confirm your deposit. And then log into your Wise account, tap Review, disregard yung amount na nandito. Choose Balance Transfer. Ito ang pinakamababa ang fee. Send from USD balance, and done. Na-deposit sa account ko ang $100 kinagabihan.